Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you, and this time I'm going to show you how to increase the size of your virtual disk in Oracle's VirtualBox. You can see here that I've got a couple of virtual machines here, and I want to modify this one here. It says currently that it's 80 gigs, and I want to make that bigger. Now first of all, before jumping into this, make sure you watch the video to the end because it's got a few steps involved. It's not just the first step, so you want to make sure you watch it through to the end. Also, it does help the algorithm. If you do enjoy my videos, giving it a thumbs up and subscribing is great, but when you watch it through to the end, that also helps me out as well. Also, consider being a member and you can get access to more exclusive videos. Anyway, so here's how you can do it. If you have a look at the settings and you look at storage, you'll see that there's your drive, but if you right click on it, the only option available to you is to remove it. We can't find any option in here to change the disk size at all, so we need to get out of here, and what you want to do is go to Tools, and from here select the drive for the virtual machine that you want to increase the disk size for. It also tells you what they are here in case you couldn't remember which one has that size. Highlight that and go up to Properties, and at the very bottom here you're going to see the location of it, and below that is the size, and it gives you a sliding scale, and you can see over on the right what the current size is. So you could either grab the slider and increase it based on the availability of the storage you have on your current machine, or you could just click in here and type in the value for what you want it to be. Then you can hit apply, and it's now applied that. It shows it up here, but let's have a look when we start the virtual machine. Let's go select it and start. Alright, now that we got the virtual machine loaded up, let's have a look in Explorer. So if we look in Explorer under this PC, you'll see that the C drive is still reading as only 80 gigs. It's not showing as the full 100 that we set it to. That's because there's another step involved. What you can do is right click on your Start button and go to Disk Management. In here you'll see your disk 0. It's showing the total is 100 gigs or 99.88 because it's not always exactly what we set it to. There's our C drive with the 80 gigs, and here's the additional 20 that we had added. So what we need to do is right click on this C drive and extend volume. Then you can just hit next. It's already selected here for what we want to use to extend it. We're going to use the whole thing. So we'll hit next and finish. Now it's showing as the full 100 gigs on here. So let's close out of the disk management. And if we look at the C drive now, it shows the full 100 gigs. And that's how you can increase the size of your virtual disk in Oracle VirtualBox. And if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, even better give it a super thanks, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.